materials you need are yarn and a crochet hook. Here I am using a 4mm crochet hook. To start, you need to make a slip knot. You grab the yarn around your finger and pass it through. You can always start again and redo it. Now, you get your crochet hook into the slip knot and pull the yarn to adjust it. You need to place your hands like this. To start your first chain, you need to grab the yarn around your hook and pull it through the loop. Repeat this process to have as many chains as you need. Each V shape is one chain. And now you know how to make chain stitches. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.